So freaking stoked that Cthulhu is gonna squash all the happy-go-lucky conformists. Means Cthulhu is gonna get rid of all the posers and make everything cool and black and stuff. No way. Lucky. Emos suck. Emos are horrible. They're posers. Goth's darkness is nihilistic, whereas emos is cynical. Ugh. Spit on me, Larry. All right, Count Fagula, you go do that. Hey! We aren't vampire kids. We're freaking goth. They aren't goth. They're douchey little vampire kids.
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
You should probably get out of here. It's like Obama all over again.
Okay, listen. There's this camp for troubled kids, right? Only they aren't helping kids. They're purposely turning them into emos. Right? Thank you! I'm just saying it's nice to know that Edgar Allan Poe agrees with us. Okay, look, we're running out of time. You have to help us stop the emos. Yeah, it kinda does. Alright, listen up. Once we find our friend, we gotta torch the place and get out. Put it out, Edgar. It's annoying everybody.
Let us make it abundantly clear. If you hate life, truly hate the sun, and need to smoke and drink coffee, you are goth. If, however, you like dressing in black because it's fun, enjoy putting sparkles on your cheeks and following the occult while avoiding things that are bad for your health, then you are most likely a douchebag vampire wannabe boner. Because anybody who thinks they are actually a vampire is freaking retarded.
Let me ask you this. Where does this knowledge of yours come from, this ability to know right and wrong? There is no inherent good or evil in the world. Those labels are just artificial constructs. Right and wrong are determined by the people who hold positions of authority. That's the way it's always been, so how then can anyone know this truth you speak of? Don't you see? The reality is that truth long ago became nothing more than a shadow of itself. It's a mere echo of the past now. You're wrong. Idealistic boy, the world is one big moral gray area. It just makes you feel safer to believe that it can be carefully categorized into good and bad. That's not actually how it works.
You're wrong!
Why are you so determined about this, kid?
Damn it. Still doesn't feel quite right.
Maybe that'll take care of it.
Okay. I'm gonna try that again.
Was there something you kids needed me for? Oh. So that's it. I'm guessing you guys are all students from the academy then. No, nothing like that. I have a simpler motive. Experimentation and observation. That's all a true scientist cares about. And I am a scientist. Everything in the world is an experimental test subject. Of course, that includes myself as well. Your soul's wavelengths aren't very stable. What's more, they're quite different from one another. I see one soul that is careless and arrogant, and one that is earnest and strong-willed. They appear to be in resonance, but they aren't. Your soul seems confused by that last statement. How cute.
Shut up! Quit it! Stop looking at my soul, you creep!
How should I know, you idiot? Why don't you wipe that stupid look off your face and start examining your surroundings? You never know when an enemy could strike. Hyde, please don't tell me you're serious about looking serious. I heard the voice, but I don't see anyone. She seems harmless enough. Okay, moderator. Why don't you tell us what's going on here? I am being careful. I'll decide whether or not I can trust her after I hear her explanation. Right now, getting information out of her is all we can do. You tell us only what you want to, then disappear, huh? What about that stone you showed me earlier, Hyde? The one you found yourself holding all of a sudden. I'm going to assume that that's the keystone she was referring to. And with the limited information we have no choice but to keep it safe. Yeah, I've never known you to be terribly delicate. Don't worry so much. If you've been able to keep the insulator safe, you can handle the stone. We wouldn't trust you with it if we didn't believe in you. It appears the voice wasn't lying earlier. I didn't expect our first opponent to be some little girl, though. I see, so this is what she meant by moderator. What a joke. Sorry, but you're barking up the wrong tree. If you want the stone, then you better be ready to take it from us.
Valkenhayn, what is the matter? That again. I have no intention of taking part in her antics. Therefore, I must obey.
Indeed.
I've had enough, Valkenhayn. To think you would call me stubborn. What's wrong, Relius Clover? Surely you're not even trying. A barrier, which must make you the real deal. Is something amiss, Serpent? You look a little paler than usual. How truly pathetic. I will no longer fall for your foolish taunts. No matter. Whatever you may be plotting, it makes little difference to me. Come. I shall sever your head from your body and put an end to this nonsense. Pathetic. I am the White Void. I am the Cold Steel. I am the Just Sword. With blade in hand, shall I reap the sins of this world and cleanse it in the fires of destruction. The end has come.